हे गाइस, वेलकम टू क्रिएटर्स हब। सो आज हम एक और अनबॉक्सिंग लाए हैं आपके लिए। इट्स टेंस थेरेपी डिवाइस फ्रॉम के लाइफ। सो द मॉडल नंबर इज TTD and 101. So we have just got the box from Amazon and we'll unbox in front of you, and I have a small hands on in front of you that how is the device. So my knife is blunt. Bill, I'll keep it aside. The device, it looks quite good. The seal is okay, and let's check anything inside. No, nothing inside, so we'll keep this aside. And let's have a look. So this device is MRP 3500 and I got it for 1600 approximate. New Implex and New Delhi and K Life manufacturing March 2002. 1 year manufacturing. Okay. Shenzhen jumper medical equipment. Okay. PRC made in China. This is People Republic of China, so made in China. Mode selection. Okay, so best thing is that we have many modes in this, so you can select acupuncture, or you can select pinning or cupping. Many things are there, and also you can set intensity from 1 to 5. So this button is for intensity basically. This to set the mode. And see, massage, acupuncture, tapping, scrapping and cupping. So these are all good for the means if you have any muscular issue, any pain, it will help you with this. So you can see there are hand tapping, pinning, tapping, then it's what's this, I think this is scrapping. Yeah, scrapping, and the last is cupping. So these therapies are not available in remote places still, and also cost of lots of bucks. So you can use this, and 1 year warranty is there. And also I think the device is quite good, so let's open it and see. Okay, so let's in the box. So here is the device. Wow, looks quite good. The packaging is quite nice, and there is something else. Okay, so there is a manual, I think. So this is the instruction manual, and the box is empty. I will show you. Nothing inside the box. We'll keep the box aside. And instruction manual, therapy device, and TENS therapy device. I don't know what's the meaning of TENS. Maybe some other short form. So I will show you some basic things for this, and then you can pause the video and read it if you like. So this is the main unit, and we have this is electrode pad. So these are the things which conduct the electricity to you. So basically this works with a small charge which is conducted to your body, and it works with that. So let's start. So it's a pouch to carry it. Quite good quality pouch, I feel. Yes, but this will get off, I know, this logo. But quality of the pouch is good. Yes. Okay, these are the connector cables. So for the current to go in, I think if my phone can focus, I don't think it will focus ever. Yes, you see there goes the current, and from this point are connected to the pads, electrode pads. Okay, maybe now it can focus. Yes, it focuses now, so you can see electrode pads. Yes, so we have 2 sets of these, and these are 2 sets, and there's a machine, and there are also 4 batteries. These are AAA batteries, the pencil one, and I hope they work because it's 1 year from the manufacturing. And this is the device. So let's keep one side. And okay, so these are the electrode pads. So you see, you in a month you will be only using 2 pads, and because machine can connect only 2 pads at a time. You see, only 2 pads. Let me focus. Wait, focus. Not focusing. Nah, it focus, not focus. So you can see you can only connect 2 pads at a time, and to run it, so in a month you will be only using 2, and the rest 2 we can keep it for the next month. So let's keep the pads aside. We just need 2, so we'll keep this aside too. And we will be only needing, okay, you can connect all the 4 together, I think. Yes, you can connect all the 4 together if you need. If you not need, you can connect only 2. These are the cells batteries. Let me turn it on for you once, and then I'll show you. So guys, as you can see, I have put the batteries, and I wanted to show you something. So you can see here there is a mention of the machine TD101, the model number, TENS therapy device, DC volt 6 volts required, so 1.1.5 3 plus 3 6 volts, and it's the manufacturer importer name is mentioned, and also it's IP22 rated, so it must be some resistant to some external things. I don't know what IP22 means, but we'll tell you in the next video if we follow up this device. And I have closed this box, and let's turn it on. Okay, so it's set on shoulder, and you can change the mode. Okay, this is for, okay, that was massage, this acupuncture, this is tapping, this scrapping, and then cupping. Let me show you from here. This is cupping. Okay, so there's a cup made also. So if you can see, that's cupping. Then this is small massage, this is spinning, you can see the pins, tapping, then scrapping, and then cupping. Okay, and also you can change the things. Okay, so you can see there is minutes, or you can see the site means where, shoulder, hands, joint, abdomen, waist, legs, shoulder, hands, abdomen, waist, legs. Okay, and also you can set the time. So 5 minutes is set, so you can set 5, 10, 15 minutes, whatever you like. So you have to long press this time button, and you can see the time changes, and you can up and down, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, I have set for 15 minutes, and this is basically to change the intensity. You can see 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3, and also you can set which one. See, there is an A and there is a B, so this is A, this is B. You can set which one you like, and you can do it with that. So guys, I would like to conclude here. So this was our first unboxing and hands-on of the K-Lite, so K-Life intense therapy machine, and I will be back with the small review that how it was. I will be using it for 1 week, and then I will bring it back to you, then tell you how it was and how did it feel, because I have some pain in my back, so I will tell you with that 1 week of uses if that was good for me. And guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Your likes and shows the YouTube algorithm, and then YouTube promotes my video more, please. So there is a request from my side, please like and share, and also comment, and stay tuned to Creators Hub if you want to follow this device, and many other devices are coming. So goodbye.